The commitment and diligence of the officers and men of the command and other units, including the Valuation Unit, the Customs Intelligence Unit, CIU, and the Customs Police enabled seamless operation of carrying out this enormous task. I would like to appreciate the Controller General of Customs, Bashir Adewale Adeniyi, PSC Daga, MFR, and his management team for creating an enabling environment for the command to actualize its core mandate of generating maximum revenue, suppression of smuggling, facilitating legitimate trade, and national security. The command will not rest on its oars in this new year 2024 by improving on its operations and facilitating legitimate trade while not compromising the security of the country. It is also important to appreciate the synergy that exists between us and other government agencies working in the airport. The cooperation has indeed boosted and helped in achieving our core mandate, thereby strengthening our mode of operations. Going forward, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, and members of the press, the command will continue to discharge its duties and responsibilities as enshrined in the Nigeria Customs Service Act 2023. Any would-be economic saboteur trying to bring unwholesome or restricted items into the country through the international airport will be apprehended and made to face the full wrath of the law. They are thereby advised to explore other opportunities opened by the federal government to engage in legitimate trade. No stone will be left unturned to achieve this daunting task as we progress into the new year 2020. Thank you so much for listening. Murtala Mohammed International Airport Command surpassed her revenue target for the year 2023. Gentlemen of the press, it is my pleasure to welcome you to this maiden press briefing on the activities of the command from 1st January 2023 to 31st December 2023. The Murtala Mohammed International Airport Command of the Nigeria Customs Service has collected the sum of 30,503,507,399 naira 9 kobo as a revenue from 1st January to 31st December 2023. The revenue collected exceeded the revenue target given to the command by the Nigeria Customs Service headquarters of 148,944,769 naira 82 kobo, with the total sum of 1,354,562,629 naira 27 kobo, which implies that the command surpassed its revenue target by 5% for the year under review. A comparative analysis of the revenue collected for the corresponding year 2022 reveals that, which is 20,898,557,880 naira 11 kobo, reveals a 46% increase in total revenue collected with a difference of 9,604,949 naira 1,519 naira 00 kobo. Since my assumption in the command, it is worthy to note that the command has consecutively surpassed its monthly target from the month of September to December 2023, as represented in the total revenue collected within the period under review. At this junction, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, permit me to state here that it is the first time in the annals of this command that in the month of December 2023, the command collected an unprecedented sum of 4,768,922,080 naira and 68 kobo. This could be attributed to the doggedness of the officers of the command towards achieving said goals and objectives. According to Section 245 of the Nigeria Customs Act 2023, which empowers a custom officer to seize and detain prohibited goods, the command also made 125 seizures with a duty-paid value of 801,561,962 naira 00 kobo for the year under review. 89 seized drones, 66 drones detained. Other seized items are 700 rolls of cigarettes, each containing 10 packs, 126 walkie-talkies and their accessories, 87 pieces of artifacts and antiquities, 22 pieces of elephant tusk, 10,000 US dollar counterfeit notes handed over to the Economic and Financial Crime Commission, EFCC, 8,800 US dollars concealed in an album. Other seized items include 300 pieces of ladies' footwears, 2 bags of precious stones, and we have already shown you some of the drones. If you look down there, we have a lot of the drones down. You can see them. This is another one. Inside those boxes, there are drones, and down there, they are all about drones. Mind you, this is not the whole that we have. Like I said, some of them are in the warehouse. We cannot bring all of them down to this place. The place will be choked up. Then you can see to your left, my left, you can see the military hardware. They are there. The camouflage. This is armored vests. That is bulletproof. These are bulletproof. I have several of them like that, you know. All about military wears. Then these are the ladies' shoes, which are 300 pieces of ladies' footwears and precious bags. They go hand in hand. Then down there are the elephant tusks. You can see them. Elephant tusks are there.